Hello friends, today I have come up with another video which is named as a game. We are going to play a game which is known, this board is known as a peg board, in which there are these counters which we will be using for the colors making. Like the small kid will pick up any color peg, like this is of white color. Now you have to just stick the white colors pegs in a row, or any color you can just pick it from here, like green, this is black, this is blue, now again this is green, this is white, this is yellow, yellow with yellow. Or you can also play the games with that, like rows wise you can just make, suppose this is the cross rows with the color green only. Basically this is used for the color making and also for the gripping of the students. Like you have to do like this, you have to remove like this and then insert this peg into this board. This will also improve the gripping of the student. If you can just see, it's not easy to just take it out and pick it. It will help for holding the pencils like this. Many games you can play, like again for the yellow one you can start doing horizontally like this. So this game is known as the pegboard. You can use for the small kids for recognition of colors, for gripping and for playing the games.